Mindombire bitatu kuligereri samu kwandenga Raila mostly ni ajite ko join government eri ocho soka nje sometimes ngomo chinde ko differ because sekara ko kuligereri circumstances chance picho ko join kwa Raila sechi serikali ya chance and I think last time ndo kwa ndeteke from my point of view Raila muna mwanasiasa ndimo nsindika kuligereri nga what is it that is in for me as a government of the day whether it is going out or staying put for example karo Raila join omoske Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi niga opportunity under the sense that konya ekatibenye ya Rosi 1992 iyo aliko tabanga a president nge kubolista mubere chioka so Raila was Daniel Moi was moving out ngoso kali nguru siasa ngurita ya nguru siasa bono intention ya Raila ya ngaki ese ekra kuligereri team ya bantu bonsi bali balenge kwamira na Raila gote the likeliest president ngo chikoba the third president of the Republic of Kenya niga alenge between Kenneth Matiba uyuko nyobeire style gitega kubugatikana mona amandamano ywa kole gata kubega bande batanga gusine umise gusine agetu gusine gosibu gose trauma ibintu munebyo na Mwai Kibaki arafteni number 3 ni garenge muntu ko Raila Amolo Odinga so there's no way Raila ngocha go move from number 3 favorite third favorite at number 1 so Raila had to jump ship koru number I think I better number 4 that time if I'm not wrong agachamba agachoini omoske Daniel Moi intention yake renga Moi ngosoka ali na Moi mu promise na kwa secretary general na secretary general is a power of position in party or Raila was like iga probability na ro Moi ri yago chikosoka na wala tabenga Raila Odinga tigandige Raila Odinga of which pakifired ikarakia pakifired ogo choini kwa ego sokunganya kwa ku ODM na gosona Kenya na go support omoske Mwai Kibaki agreement ya linga Mwai Kibaki was going to be a president for one term. Mwai Kibaki talinga like rie muya yengo lenge yengo tabanga talinga like likoboli bo president 2007. Igo nande Raila gaso aganga tikatobe ko muga koyoga nande diriko nyono none injury sometimes out no end out sinchele ngonga na bara bini capacitated in many ways because of the accident ya bete anyorete. Ono ikinakirike kabika Raila gakesabanga tigoyo na bako ende tamwe yemo nigara agende buja kubwa no embabu nyachawe nyibaye ngoboli babu Uhuru Kenyatta baye ngoenda long term then come 2008 ali marriage ya better forced by circumstances in that post election ne violence nera Raila believes in Nairobi robo president Kibaki obere sworn in botuko so what next Raila na baye ngoja kotakera babo William Ruto
yes William Ruto
insisting on nije president ndo ndika kaba nsi ya Ivory Coast Asani Ouattara na Bagipo Rolo Bagipo Asani Ouattara minute akatabanga nije president at the end of the day Rolo Bagipo na abwate tu akairu ICC olia kaba president so the same could have happened in Kenya Raila ngoja go insisting
nje na abwa chikure chiga
lakini akake sabunga after all this man is going for the last term nande Kofi Annan ochire na panel of eminent persons bachire batabire ngaki yaya bwatira nigende ke grand coalition government but already interest ni rangaki na grand coalition umuntu gojigo close to power ni nje you remember that time konya Karonza saire team ya Were vice president so come 2013 Raila Obwiru nande as between 2013 na 2017 Raila was very sure nga Uhuru go kind of defend kirwe kiaye so there's no way alengocho in Uhuru whatsoever between that time because now I think at tiga igaro I have no chance when we got 2017 then nande sabu yali ga chama ki mburo yongo sokari so ngise ko mochoni probability ya nero and then to his advantage gatoka ngonye difference charo kan between Uhuru Kenyatta na William Ruto so akanyora ngaga akabagangaro and then akanywa assurance ya outgoing president ngango mu support ya bona akaba more assured Raila has never been more assured of the support of the sitting president or outgoing president as it was